Gain aura whenever you lose, or lose aura whenever you win. $1 billion Robux but permanent lag, or 0 Robux but flawless gameplay. Have skibidi sound effects forever, or get roasted by NPCs daily.